Sige. So, meron pa akong wala naturo pala sa'yo, ate. Ano yung wala pa naturo ng teacher? So, this one, for example, this one ha, we have 1 plus,
Where's your other marker?
oh, you don't know ate. Saan yung marker ni, ano mo?
Doon sa kanya.
Ay, sa kabila.
Ano yun? Ano yun, sir?
Yung color blue, ma'am, na marker. Parang naiwan yata namin siya sa room ng tito niya. Opo. Sige, wait lang natin yung ate na para you have a marker. Sige. So, for this one, the teacher will explain na lang ha.
What's this?
You can see 5 all over 7. This is 7.
Okay, what's the letter?
It looks like letter T. So this one, ate, di ba we have 1. Okay? So if you are going to add, ate, any na, how do you say this one? Any fraction to our number, ate, to our whole number, automatically,
What's
ate,
over here?
wala yan sa dito. Pero later, teacher will discuss it to you, ha? I will explain something about that one. Sige, let's erase na lang this one. This is where your dad lives, ate?
Yes.
Diyan siya, ah?
Yes, waiting there. But he sometimes go to sleep at Tonton, also at his mama. My mama, at my grandma, my papa's mama is not Tuwabae.
Tuwabae?
My papa's mama, it's far away, but
Far
still
away.
in Davao City.
So
A little bit far
so
away.
your
Don't
tuwa,
just take
the mama of your mama, ate, is your Tuwabae? Oh. No, ate. Let's just wait lang for the marker, ha? Because I cannot explain very further, ate, if walang marker. I want you to see some of the visuals, ate, ha?
You know that I did a mind reading trick with my papa?
Mind reading trick with your papa? So did you read his mind?
Pati si mama ko. And then it's a super easy trick to do it.
What if kaya ate mag-practice tayo Tagalog ang gagamitin natin? Is it okay for you? Para practice na lang din sa ano mo ate sa mga bansak mo.
Pero alam ko ng Tagalog.
Gani kayo mag-Tagalog na lang tayo sa all throughout sa session natin, ha? So bale, ang gagawin ni Teacher Charles, magtuturo si Teacher Charles sa'yo in Tagalog, okay? Sa pagko-communicate. Tapos ikaw, yung gagawin mo po is magpi-Filipino ka rin or magta-Tagalog, ha? Okay? So, yung gagawin natin ate, exact na lang sa mga numbers. For example, sabi ako 7. Oh, alam mo ba ate ang Tagalog ng counting numbers? Isa?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siya, 10.
10. How about ang 11? Anong Tagalog ng 11? Labing isa.
Labing isa, labing
Dalawa.
labing tatlo, labing apat, labing lima,
Labing anim.
mahirap sabi ng Tagalog side natin.
Labing anim. Okay, that's 16. Labing anim.
Labing anim, labing ito, labing walo,
Labing walo.
siya,
Labing siya?
labing sampu,
Ibig sabihin labing siyam. Ang ito ate, ang 20, 20.
dalawampu,
O, 20. 21. 21.
dalawamput isa,
Wala, 20.
dalawamput isa.
22.
I think working for my, I'll first speak in English.
O, sige
Might
go.
be a little hard for me for Tagalog because I really do this. Isa,
O,
dalawa,
so bali, 21.
dalawamput isa, dalawamput dalawa, dalawamput tatlo, dalawamput apat, dalawamput anim,
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 27,
pito,
8,
dalawamput siyam,
8,
walo,
29,
dalawamput siyam,
30.
tatlumpu.
31.
Pwede ka to
100. Oh, up until your, ano ate, up until your, the marker will arrive. 31. Sige ate.
tatlumpu isa, tatlumpu
You follow it with your fingers para hindi ka malito. 31.
isa,
Ito na fingers ate. 31.
tatlumpu isa,
30.
tatlumpu isa,
Isa.
tatlumpu dalawa.
Ay, yan ma'am.
Pero, hindi ko meron.
Ay, siya may rings. Ay, permanent siya. Eh,
Yan, bulat.
ano yun ma'am? Ay, pang, as in pagkuha. Ay,
Pero kapag kuwan, hindi ganun mga dito. Kapag kaya dito. Kapag kaya dito.
na, okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Do I need to speak Tagalog so I will not forget Tagalog?
Yes ate, so magtatagalog tayo ngayon ha.
But Robert told me that I will never forget Tagalog even if I speak English.
Oh, pero sa ating lesson ngayon ate, magtatagalog pa rin tayo so that mas magiging bihasa ka pa sa pagtatagalog. Ano ibig sabihin ng salitang bihasa? Mas magiging magaling. Ibig sabihin ng bihasa, ibig sabihin yan ate, that's magaling. Okay. So this one, paano ba natin mapi-perfect ang isang bagay ate, di ba? Sinabi nila ate na walang perfect or walang perfecto. Pero if you are going to or kung magpa-practice ka ate or mag-e-ensayo ka bawat minuto, automatically ate,
I don't know what minuto is, but I don't
Ano?
know.
Minuto?
Hindi ko alam sa some word in Filipino.
ano yung ibig sabihin ng salitang minuto? Minutes. Parang ganun. So this one ate, so continue tayo ha sa ating discussion. So, magtatagalog tayo ha. Okay. So for example ate, you have in here 5. Okay ha, 5. Added by 1 half. Okay ha? If meron kang nakita na ganito ate, di ba big number ito? Big number ito.
So you
Automatically ate, you are going to put it in here in 1 at the bottom. Yes? You are going to make it into an improper. You're feeling thirsty?
Yep.
Ma'am, mag-wait ka lang. Sige ha. So for this one ate, di ba na-turn na natin ito improper? Magkuha lang siya. Ulit lang. This one, di ba anong nangyari ate, you are going to make it into improper fraction. Next ate, okay? Next is, gagawin mo na yung usual natin na ginagawa. Di ba this one ate, the denominator are not the same, tama? Since the denominator are not the same, automatically what we're going to do, sige, i-multiply mo ate.
Like 1 times
Yes
2
po.
times 5, 1 times 1.
Go. Go ate. I will cover it up para mag-guide ang marker.
Is it permanent? Oh.
Hindi, it's not permanent.
And
Next,
where is the permanent marker?
this one. Very good. Equals. How about is that our final answer? Sure ka na improper fraction ang final answer natin? Hindi po, di ba? Ano yung gagawin mo dito sa 2 all over 11? You are going to make it into, gagawin mo siyang mixed number or mixed fraction. Go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12. So, mamaya
Next. Sige lang, pwede lang. Next. Next, make it into gagawin mo siyang mixed number. What is this? Ate, you forgot na naman ate. Ate, marami na ba natin ito ulit-ulit. Di ba? Ang number on top, that is the big number. Oh. Next, what's the number on top? Di ba ang number on top is the remainder?
Yes.
Oh, saan? Ate, parang kang nagka-amnesia ate. What happened to you? A number on top is the big number. The number at the bottom is the number on top. The number at the side is the number at the bottom.
Oh.
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Huwag mo kalimutan ulit. Hold this one. Isa pa ha. Okay. 7 plus. What are you going to do ganit first? Put a 1. Ha? Put a 1.
Because I thought you were gonna put one here that it will become one and one here.
1. From time to time ha, if that is a big number, if you're going to make it into a fraction, put a 1. On next. What's next? Okay, next. $34?
This one.
31. Oh, next. What's next?
This is number one.
31 divided by 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32,
28.
38, 32, 36, oh, 32, 47.
7 times 4.
7 times 4 is 28.
Make it into mixed number na.
The one on top is a big number.
Very good. That's how you do it ha. Okay. Next. How about, meron tayong 8. 8 minus,
What are the permanent markers for?
not for the whiteboard ate. The use of the permanent marker is for writing something that you need ate para mag-long last. Sige na classes. 8 minus 5, 7.
8
What are you going to do?
Add.
1. Very good.
I thought in the first thing you were gonna make another one here and one and one.
No, ate. Tama, 7. Next.
8, 16, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 38, 38, 56, 64, 72, 7, 40, 8, 8, 16, 24, 30,
2.
32, 40, 48, 56.
Right na. 56.
Okay.
56 next. Next.
Seven, 30, 31, 28, 55, 42, 49, 56. This is the first one. So it's 7.
Sige. 7 times 7.
7, 14, 21, 57, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 29.
Very good.
Is my auntie gonna get the IT
Yes, po.
with her Davis at the maps?
1 minus 9.
One, two.
Correct? Very good. Next, ate, what if ganito naman? We have in here 9 times. Ano ba? 7? Baliktad, sorry ate. 7 all over 8. What are you going to do with that one? Very
Add
good.
one.
Next. That's multiplication na ha. Next. Ikaw na lang ang kailangan. Dito ka.
Ulitin natin.
Hindi ka mahilig ah. If you want to do this, sabihan mo sa teacher. Ah, sige. 63 divided by 8. 64. Sige, flip it pa sa'yo ate. Isa pa. Yan, ganyan. Okay lang, kami na.
Because it's not putting me.
Sige. 50, 13 minus 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Baliktad.
Huh?
The number on here ha, is always at the top. The number at the side is always at the bottom. Okay.
Did I got it right?
Yes.
Or I don't know guys.
Wait lang. Ito, ako lang magawa. 8 divided by 8 divided by 4 over 6.
Did your handwriting dirty?
No, it didn't turn pink ako.
Your handwriting is big.
Ano? Lagi siyempre. Para you can see it. Okay. Mali. Division yan. It's division.
Yeah, I was gonna do that.
Bakit 6 ang gilagay mo? Oh, next.
8.
8. 8 times ha? It's a divide. Diba? You do this 1 times. Oh, bakit sabi mo 8 divided by 6? 8 times 6.
8 times
Go.
8, 6, 8, 16, 24, 30,
2.
32, 40, 48, 56, 60, or 72. If you can do that, I think because it's not,
Two.
40, 48, 56, 48. Can I do that?
Next. Twenty, 24. Ate, wait lang. Diba? First of all, you're going to try. 4 divided by 4. It's okay, man. 4 divided by 4. 1. Next. Diba, you just bring down this one? Ibig sabihin, because you bring down that one, you're going to test another one pa. 8 divided by 4. Ate, divide. 8 divided by 4. 4, 8. Oh, 2. 2 times 4, 8. The answer is 12 lang ha. That's how you do it. Okay, gets? Okay, next. How about this one? What if the whole number ate is added by, how do you say this one? Is added by mixed number. What are you going to do? First, you are going to put 1. Next, this one, you are going to turn this one into improper. 5 times 6 plus 3. Sige. 30. Oh, very good. So, this one, it will be erased now. Write 33 at the top. Hindi. Diyan, 33 all over 5. Diba ate, we put this one, 6, tapos 3, tapos 5. This one, 5 times 6, that's 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 33 is ilalagay mo at the top. The 5 ate will be at the bottom. You forgot?
Because I thought it was different.
It's the same na ate. Next. What's next?
I didn't forget.
What's next? 7 all over 1 plus 33 over 5. Very good. Next. Next. Wala ka ate. Di ba you just do this one? Wala ka ganito oh. 1 times 33. Oh, 33. Oh, 35 plus 33. Anong minus? Plus.
5, 9, 6, 7,
Okay, next.
8.
Next. Very good.
Is that it? 18 divided by 5.
Yes, ate, 18 divided by 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 18 was 5, 10, 15, 20, 42.
Very good. Next.
3 times 5.
3 times 5, how much?
5,
What's the final answer?
13.
Ate, oh, you have remainder, oh. 13?
13. Oh, if there's a remainder, it's I don't
Mixed number. That's how you do it, ha? Okay, isa pa.
Wala, I wanna get the banana.
Oh, sige, bigyan kita. Ito. 9 ito, ha? Sige.
That will fix it. Because I like that.
If you are going to write it in your file, ano yung banana mo? Go. Sige, kain.
What do you say? Ano yung sabi ko?
Next. First, guy, ano mo na yung gagawin? All over 1.
7 times 9.
7 times 9.
63. 63 plus 8.
How much?
63,
64.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71.
Saan mo ilalagay sa 71?
Sino ang floor is this?
Next. What's next? Ano 17? Next. Sige. Ano itong 5?
I'm gonna add next.
Oh, dito ka. Show your solution in here. 54 plus 71. Sige. Next. Saan yun ilalagay? Next. Next.
Nice, 18.
Oh, hindi mo dyan ilagay si 9. At the bottom of 2. Very good.
Is that 5?
Wala pa. Next.
9, 18, 37, 37, 36, 4.
Anong 4 ka dyan? 35 divided by 9, 4. 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 ate, oh, lampas ng 35. Ulit, isa pa. 35 divided by 9.
9, 18, 37, 36.
3. Next, 3 times 9.
9 times 9.
Wag mo. Next, wag ka. 15 minus 7. Ano ang answer? Very good. Next.
Explaining to the
Show your solution in here, ha? Do not touch this one. You make your own.
Will I be my own number?
No, ate, you are going to process this one, but you are not going to alter this one. You are going to generate your own. Yan.
I will not copy 3, 5, 3, 2.
Ate, alisan kay teacher para mag-gets mo, ate. This one, this is the given only. The given, ha? Ibig sabihin, you are going to make your own in here, o ba? By just looking at this one. Ibig sabihin, the same pa din siya. It's the same, ha? But you are going to do your solution in here. This one, 5 times 2, how much?
5 times 10.
Plus 3.
50.
Oh, so you put in here, 13 all over 5. Lang. 5. Tapos this one, minus 7
That's number?
all over 1. That one, ate ba, this is what I am saying.
Oh.
Gets? Oh, isa pa ha. Ate, you need to listen to teacher para makatch up mo kaagad in just one instruction ha. Okay, isa pa. Do not alter this one because this is the given. Okay.
Oh, ganda. Ayos na.
Hmm. Yan, very good.
Oh, wala ka tigo?
Hmm?
Wala ka tigo?
Hindi yung. Ano 30? 8 ang gamitin mo.
8 times 4.
Hmm.
8, 16, 24, 80.
It's not 30 ate. Ilang weeks na tayo sa multiplication, you don't memorize pa. Isa pa ulit, 8,
16, 24,
32.
22.
You keep saying 30. Next. Very good. Next. You memorize yung multiplication table from time to time. Almost 1 month na yan siya. You don't memorize pa talaga fully. 32 minus 23. Sige, show your solution. After ng 24, automatically 32 ha. You will say 32. Okay?
32.
Huwag mo kalimutan. Do not forget ate ba? Para hindi tayo paulit-ulit.
Yung 32.
Oo, di ba? 8, 16, 24, 32, 32, 32. Next. Thirty-two. 9 divided by 4, 36. Ulit.
4, 8,
Hmm.
9. 4, 8, 5.
Very good. Oh, finalize your answer. Very good. Ha, ganyan ha. Okay. Do not forget your multiplication, ate. Okay, isa pa. How about this one? Sige daw. That's the given. So do not alter this one. Dito ka, at the bottom. Next. Tama. Next. Sige, sulat. Okay, sulat dito. 150. Next. Ano ba 15? 150? So 15 divided by 6. No, ate. Di ba? 1 divided by 6 cannot be. Automatically added by 5. 15 divided by 6.
But if it's only 6, I cannot do trial and error?
No, ate, listen. Di ba first of all, you are going to try 1. 1 divided by 6 cannot be. So sino yung magsama? See? 5. 15 divided by 6. You need to trial and error. Hindi. Hindi na, because it's a small number. 15 divided by 6.
But if it's a super big,
Yes,
super big
ate.
number like 60,
Yes, ate, yes, yes. Sige na. 15 divided by 6.
6, 12, 80,
Oh, lampas.
6, 12, 80.
2. Very good. Ate, you always forgot. Di ba this one na on? Listen mo na kay teacher. That is why teacher is always interrupting you. Because nakalimutan mo ang previous na lesson. Di ba? If you are going to divide ate, the first number, 1 divided by 6 cannot be. Automatically, the number near to 1 will join ate. That's why 15 divided by 6, you will not do trial and error na. Because you can just keep counting man. You will do trial and error if it is big numbers. Ha? Okay.
5,
Very good. 30 divided by 6.
5.
Very good.
I didn't use anything.
Yun, dapat ganyan ate.
Because I remember 30.
Bali, ano, ate ba?
5 times 6 is 30.
Bali ate, if you are going to calculate it, di ba you already memorize naman?
Yeah.
Automatically, since you already memorize it ate, ibig sabihin, you are going to think of it sa mind mo na lang. Kasi, malito kapag maganyan-ganyan ka ate, especially from time to time, di ba, if nagpa-divide ako,
Would it be harder if I use my mind? Try to think of different numbers like 3, like 8 times
Ilan daw yan sabihin without using your fingers? Okay na, kahit ganyan na ate. Oh. Do not look at your fingers. Sa mind mo.
It's 8 times 6.
Mm.
8, 16. But I'm allowed to count, like 16 count.
Yes, you're allowed.
8, 16, 8, 16, 32.
24 pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48.
Oh, that's how you do it. So from time to time, you practice it ha, using your mind ate. For example, if teacher Charles will say 9 times 7, you count it with your mind, di ba?
9 times 7 is already 62.
Oh,
We did use
for
my
example, 7 times 6. Oh, alam mo na 42. For example, 7 times 8.
It's not 42, it's 62.
7 times 6.
I thought you said
7
7
times 9.
times 9.
How about magsabi si teacher 7 times 8? Automatically, ate, di ba, you are going to do it. Even though you are using your fingers, di ba, you will say 7, 14. What if, ate, mag-quiet ka lang? Bale, you will do 7, 14, 21, 28. But in your mind lang. Like, ganito ba? Tapos you will say 56.
Okay,
You do that
8
one.
times 7.
For example, ako na lang magsabi, tapos ikaw magsabi ng
8
answer.
times 7.
6 times 8. Sige daw, 6 times 8.
6 times 8.
Hmm.
48.
48. Diba? That's how you do it. No need na ate to use your, you no need to use your fingers, no need na to say it
you have
loud.
to review the just give out the numbers. Of course, you say that.
Not this one ate. Try daw ang ano, 9 times 4.
36.
Try daw ang
I already know.
7 times
I
4.
already know the orders of numbers.
Yes ate, mas 7 times 4.
7 times 4.
7 times 4.
38.
How about 7 times
Because it's
9?
7 times 9, 63.
8 times 3.
8 times 3. Are you reading no, easy numbers? 34.
Okay, wow, are you making easy numbers? Try daw natin ang 4 times 9.
4 times 9, 36.
4 times 8,
4 times 8, 4 times 20, 32.
32. Very good. Oh, that's how you do it ate. You calculate na lang ate in your mind.
What
Tapos,
happens if I might use
at ano na use your fingers ha? Because
Okay, I'll try hard numbers. Like 8 times
8 times 8.
64.
Ah, wow, very good ha.
Because I remember 8 times 8.
Sige na, this one.
6 times 6, 36.
5 times 6, that's 30. Put 30 in here ate. Oh, put 30 na. Put 30 in here.
30.
Oh, sulat 30 ba?
Yeah.
Oh, 30. Oh, 30 minus 30.
0.
Oh, so what's your final answer?
25. Oh, 25.
25. Do not put 0 over 6 ha. Okay, it's already 0. Next, try naman natin ate. Pinakalas na yata itong division. What time na na?